right, continuing on with example number 2. So you should have all of this in number 1 completed. We're going to do number 2 and 3. Same steps as example 1. So we need to get our y value by itself. So we need to move your x term to the other side. Since this is a negative 3x, how do you get rid of something that is negative? You should add 3x to both sides. Because negative 3 plus 3 is 0, makes that go away. You're going to bring down your 6y. And your 3x should come first because we want slope and then your y-intercept, and it is mx plus b. And since this is positive, we're going to do a positive 3x, and your 12 is positive, so plus 12. Then we need to get your y by itself. So now you need to get rid of your 6, and we're going to do that by dividing. And we are dividing everything by 6. 6 divided by 6 is 1. Perfect. That leaves you with just y. 3 over 6. So I showed you in the last example that when you have something that doesn't divide, 3 is not divisible by 6. You need to go to Desmos and type that in and reduce your fraction. We should not have a decimal at any point in time for slope. So 3 over 6 will reduce to 1 over 2x. And 12 divided by 6 is 2. So y equals mx plus b. So your slope is 1/2 and your y-intercept is 2. All right, if you feel like you are ready to try one on your own, you can try number 3 on your own, or you can just wait and do some on your own later and do this one with me. In this problem, same thing. We need to get our y by itself. So we need to get rid of your 12x here. Since it is positive, we need to subtract 12x from both sides. 12 minus 12 is 0. Now, this is super important, and a lot of you are going to forget this, I guarantee it. There is a negative in front of your 2. So when you bring down this term, it needs to be a negative 2y. If you don't bring down your negative sign, you have messed up. You need to fix it. Equals. Just like we've done in your last examples, we need to bring this negative 12x first. And it is a negative 12. See, it's a negative right in front of that 12. That's a negative 12x. So we need to put negative 12x. And your 36 is positive. So we need to put plus 36. It absolutely 100% matters where your signs are. Your sign should be directly in front of the number it should be in front of. Your negative is in front of 12, so the negative should be in front of 12. There is nothing in front of 36, which means it's positive, so your 36 needs to be positive. Now we need to get your y by itself. We need to get rid of this negative 2. Since it's negative 2y, that means negative 2 times y. So you get rid of timesing by dividing everything by negative 2. Negative 2. That's going to cancel out 2 negatives. And your 2 divided by 2 is going to be 1, leaving you with just y. Negative divided by a negative is a positive. And 12 divided by 2 is 6. So this is 6x. 36 divided by negative 2. A positive divided by a negative is a negative. And 36 divided by 2 is 18. So y equals 6x minus 18, which would be your slope being 6 and your y-intercept being negative 18.